Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to choose target audience through LinkedIn ads. Let's start. So, as mentioned on my previous LinkedIn tutorials, I've said there wherein LinkedIn is used to be like an online platform for you to showcase your, qualifications, professional experiences, school, if you want to grow your professional network. So pretty much just about job or career until such time it has evolved to a platform where you could, optimize and, promote your business there. Hence, I'm going to introduce you today to business.linkedin.com/marketing dash solutions, wherein there's like tons of ads that you could choose from depending on what you would need for your business. So once you're in this site, our topic today is about how to choose target audience, right? So once you're in this page, hover your mouse and go to advertising. This is actually where you could choose what kind of ads that would like basically if you want to have a target audience, if you want to choose that, this is the place to be. This is where you would go. So you go to audience and reporting. Like there's also an option for targeting, there's also an option for our audience. For me, I will just choose this one because it's more of like I want to reach a target audience, so I can use this one. So there's like ad targeting options here that you can click, and there's also create ads. So let's try our ad targeting solution. So this is one way for you to know more on what this feature can do. So this is more of really targeting like who would be your right audience to like for me, I want to get the right customers for them to know my business. So once you create ad, it will lead you to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So Campaign Manager pretty much is your starting page, guys, for you to create your page and make it to the point that it would fit to what you need, just to make sure that you would optimize and target or you could target basically the right audience. Now, if in case that you forgot how it's done, you could always go to Help Center. Just click on this one and then just type this, and there's actually a lot of options here for you to have like best practices on choosing their target audience. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please leave a like, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.